It's an amazing place to be able to teach, to be out here and have 520,000 acres as your classroom.
It's located in the heart of Great Smoky Mountains National Park. The students are children, adults, and teachers, people of all ages and walks of life.
They're meeting new people here, different teachers. They're interacting with each other, like through cooperation activities, and they really do grow as a whole person.
We caught salamanders, and when we were hiking, we learned a lot about the trees and the animals that live there.
The classrooms are equipped with live animals in giant forest, wildflowers and mountain streams, sunrises and all the mysteries of life.
Well, connecting people in nature is our motto because we believe it's important for people to come out here and actually get to see things and get to be a part of nature.
This place is called Great Smoky Mountains Institute at Tremont.
Tremont's a residential environmental learning center, meaning that we have a place for people to come and actually live in the national park for several days and utilize the park as our classroom. So we have students of all ages spending 3 days to 2 weeks here with us learning about Great Smoky Mountains National Park.
Well, Tremont offers programs for everyone that wants to come to the National Park and learn. We offer school group programs for upper elementary and middle school aged students. We also have high school programs. We have summer camping programs, adult programs for adult learners that want to come here and learn more about the National Park.
Our citizen science program is a unique opportunity for students to get involved with studying nature in the National Park through inventory and monitoring projects. So we've worked with the National Park to come up with different research projects that students can help collect data for while they're visiting Tremont.
We were collecting bugs to look at them under the microscope and see what kind they were. And we use these nets and we shake the tree and they would fall down onto the net and then we'd put them inside a little thing to keep them.
By having these real projects available, students can get a better idea of how the process of science works, what a real scientist does in terms of a career.
I think the children from our school love to come to Tremont because it's a nice break from the classroom environment, but they're learning so much about science and nature. They learn about teamwork, about cooperation. They learn about our environment. The staff is always so patient and helpful with anything we need. They're very enthusiastic with the children and come up with great activities that build on their science education.
These kids were telling me on the trail they just finished a 2-chapter session on geology. But it's a completely different thing to read about in a book and then come out here and be able to see the mountains and see some of the different types of rocks that they're learning about.
If you're going to be teaching students about science, you're going to be teaching them about natural processes. The easiest way to get that information over to students is to have them be a part of it, to have them have it right in front of them.
I think the kids love being outside, and hands-on is the way to go. If the kids are touching and smelling and seeing and tasting, and that's the way they learn the best.
Tremont is fun because you get to hike and you get to kind of learn about nature and how to work together in a group, and it's just really fun.
I want people to walk away excited about Great Smoky Mountains National Park and recognizing their connection to the natural world and their role in preserving it and protecting it for the future.
We did a lot of hiking. We went up and checked out this new exotic invasive species that's attacking the hemlock. And so the kids got to see that things are happening that we don't want to happen in our forest. And they ask lots of questions about how do we stop this? How can we protect our forest? And so they, you know, their whole urban environment sort of changed the, hey, how are we going to protect our forest?
Tremont is a special place to me because I feel like this is a wonderful place where anybody can come and get to know the Smokies a lot better and get to know nature a lot better too. And I think in turn, most people wind up getting to know themselves a lot better while they're here.
Tremont is a fun place because you get to hike and hang out with your friends, and you just get to be outdoors.
Since I've been here, I've had a greater appreciation of nature.
They have it all, you know, they have everything. They have the mountains, they have the trees, they have the river, they have the animals, and they have the people.
Tremont is a place I think that can change people's lives.